Hello and welcome to Do It. We are so excited to share these 3D prints with you because we have scoured the internet and we seem to have accomplished something that has yet to be done. And for something this auspicious, for something this monumental, we had to bring in a man known as the Talent. So being devoid of any musical talent, I brought in Simon to take this challenge head on. And I have to say, I didn't have very high expectations. But the result of the composition was very surprising. And I have to say that the song itself is appropriate for the first time on a new instrument. So without further ado, I give you the world's first fully 3D printed composition. That's just good, clean fun. I don't care who you are. But if you like content like this, we encourage you to hit that like button. And if you didn't like this content, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. As always, thanks for watching.
Aside from my soul.